Welcome to another edition of Fired Up Friday, or Flatwood Friday, or Failure Friday, and the Bluegrass Bushcraft Coffee Challenge. There's my buddy guarding me. And here's our setup for the day. I'll set it up on a tripod. Snow's a little bit deeper than it was last week, like usual. Welcome to Canada. And we'll see if we can get some little birds into the action too. But anyways, let's get our fire going. Okay, I guess first we're going to try to see if we can try to stick a bit of flatwood here. Just to show you. This should be pretty good. Got in there. So then see little sticks on after. Ooh, nice. Well, we'll see how many takes us this time. We'll prime the pump though. See another Failure Friday coming on. There we go. It's a bit windy. Anyways, there she be. Yeah, that's enough for that. It's starting to snow out here. Well, it's nothing new here. But anyways, let's go in the porch and make some coffee. Get up there. No, on the other side. Come on. This is my spot. Anyways, I'm back. Welcome to the Bluegrass Bushcraft Coffee Challenge part of the show, the video, whatever. But got my buddy Harper here. First things first, she's gonna light her candles. It's windy out, but it's not that cold. So anyways, I was going to do cowboy coffee today, but I got a comment back from the quantum mechanic. Said he got a coffee grinder and a coffee press and was making coffee. So we're going to do the same thing. I will leave a link for him down below, but he doesn't make videos anymore. But oh well. Anyways, this is that stuff. A ultralight propane stove, 10,000 BTU. A model 543 BB 725C, no less. Never seen another one. Anyways, we'll put our water onto to boil for our coffee press. We have a cook set to try today. I've only had it for 4 or 5 years and I've never drank out of it. And our coffee of the day is the same as last week, which is Kicking Horse. Where are we? Kicking Horse, Three Sisters. So anyways, we'll come back when the water boils and something more exciting happens. Okay, my little buddies abandoned me. My water is boiling vigorously, so we'll shut that off. We're going to empty our coarse ground coffee into our coffee press, and we're going to pour our water. Okay, after that, we'll put in a little more water than I wanted, but we'll give it a stir. Then we'll put our lid on to keep it warm, if I get it right. And we'll come back in 5 minutes. And our little buddies helping themselves, which is good. Okay. Not much fun doing close-ups on this stuff. So anyways, it's been 5 minutes. We'll push the plunger out. Basically, coffee presses are cowboy coffee without the mess. So, let's pour some out and see how bad it looks. Nice color. I think we'll do a little bit of sugar. A little bit of milk that I got coffee bean dusted. Stir it with a dirty spoon. And here we go. That's her Three Sisters coffee. Anyways, we'll give her a little taste test. Better than the pot I made last week. So anyways, candles are still almost all going. Well, they're all going, just this one's a little slow. Anyways, we light these fires for the people that need help and the people that have gone before us and the ones of us that have been left behind. So we'll see you next week.